Hello! We're back.
Yeah, we are.
This time we are exploring Calvert Cliffs State Park. It is a 2-mile out and back hike down to the beach.
No, it's a 2 mile down, 2 mile back.
Yeah.
4 miles, which I'm gonna die.
But it's a 2-mile trail out and back,
Yeah.
is what it means.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Get to the end. They got shark teeth as well.
Yeah, so Joe has been here before. I haven't. I've never made it down to this part of Southern Maryland to explore yet. So I'm excited, and maybe we'll see some shark teeth.
Yeah, I think we'll find some.
Yeah, low tide just went out, so it's a great time to go searching. We'll
See you guys there.
take you along with us. Here we go.
Let's go. They found a shark in here.
Did they really?
Yeah. That's why it says no fishing from bridge.
Oh, because they're sharks.
Mm-hmm. You don't want to be shark bait. Ooh-ha.
Ooh-ah.
See my tactical Crocs?
So pretty.
It is, it is. Getting ready to put my Crocs into 4-wheel drive mode. Boom, off-road ready. I'm all exhausted now. If you look close enough, you might spot a hippo.
A hippo?
You not excited about that? No? Okay.
There's sand all over the couch.
You can use the clay.
We're not working.
What are you gonna do with the clay? Shark tea. The lighthouse down there. Hey y'all, we're back.
We made it down the trail to the beach. Just chilling here, relaxing by the water now.
No shark teeth yet.
No.
It's I didn't bring the right tools to look for it.
In fact, we did not bring
Any tools. Well, I got these, you know,
Yeah.
scoop and dig, but it doesn't work. But no, we're hanging out. It's really nice. The clouds and the sky just so beautiful right now.
Yeah, it's very mild weather.
Yeah.
So we're not sweating or really that tired.
No.
It was a pretty nice, calm trail. This park is called Calvert Cliffs State Park. It's not all about shark teeth here. There are all those cliffs down there. They are closed because they're unstable. So we can't really go much further than we are right now, unfortunately. Otherwise, you know, we would be all over that.
Yeah.
Trying to get all up in those cliffs.
I don't know if you guys can hear us that well.
Yeah, we will see if this footage turns out.
Yeah. It will tell us if we need to get microphones.
Yes, we'll see if you can hear us, how good GoPro is.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we'll be able to just put in a little part of us.
Keep going.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So beautiful. Hey everyone, so just hiked 4 miles. Got a couple bruises and scrapes along the way.
Mainly me.
Yeah, but look, we're so glad you guys joined us again. And what do they need to do, Megan?
Oh, they need to like, comment, and subscribe to help support our channel. It really does help. I don't think everyone realizes what subscribers do to help a YouTube channel until you actually start having a YouTube channel. But
Right.
we appreciate your support so far and can't wait to have you for the rest of our journey.
So as for now, we will see you guys later. Bye.